We do. We see that positive momentum continuing. We really were pleased by the strong performance on our key growth drivers. You look consistently, some of our recent launches have been performing extremely well. So even in this, I think, complex geopolitical environment, we feel very confident we can deliver now this upgraded guidance on the full year. The medicines we're most excited about are medicines like our breast cancer drug, Kisqali, our cardiovascular drug, Leqvio, as well as our radioligand therapy, Pluvicto, and a number of other new launches. We had 3 approvals as well in the quarter, so really a great start to the year.
Vas, we still don't know what the pharma tariffs are going to look like. President Trump has flagged they are coming, but we don't know what they'll look like. We don't know how much they will be. What does your guidance assume around tariffs, and what are your expectations more broadly?
Yeah, we're going to be monitoring the situation carefully. I think there's good reason why the world has never had pharmaceutical tariffs, because we certainly don't want to disrupt the flow of medicines to patients in need anywhere they are on the planet. That said, we've already provisioned this year and planned this year to ensure that we have adequate inventories and have placed ourselves in a position where we're very confident in the guidance that we've given. And in the medium term, we plan to now make the investments necessary so 100% of our key products are produced in the U.S. for the U.S., which also I think then insulates us for our midterm guidance, which we also maintained. So overall, while it is an uncertain environment, we think we've put ourselves in the right position to manage the tariffs. In general, we're also lower exposed versus our peers to tariff disruptions. So I think that puts us in a good place to manage through however the story unfolds.
Vas, you've clearly had really strong momentum short term. Here you are raising guidance, but investors are concerned about the medium term. Investors that I speak to in this space, they're worried about where the growth is going to come from and the patent expiries that you're facing. 2 of your key drugs are facing expiry soon in terms of patents, Entresto, Cosentyx, both facing patent expiry. How confident are you in the pipeline and what's going to drive the medium term growth at Novartis?
I'm really confident in what we are seeing in our pipeline, in our R&D replacement power, as we call it. For the next 5 years, we've guided to 5% plus core sales growth on average, and core operating income growth by 2027, core operating margin by 2027 to be 40% plus. We're very confident in that kind of midterm outlook. And then going beyond that, we already are seeing the proof points that should give investors confidence. We had 3 important approvals in Q1, which I think will help us now drive that growth. We've signed a number of BD&L and licensing deals, which we think could provide exciting assets to the pipeline. And when I think more broadly in this industry, you need to be a leader in technology. And we are the leader in radioligand therapies, we're the leader in RNA therapeutics, and we're the leader in cell and gene technologies. Each one of these areas could create 10, 20, $30 billion market opportunities for the company 2030 and beyond. So as long as we execute in each of those technology areas, we feel confident we can continue even 2030 and out to continue to have that mid-single digit growth outlook.